All right, so today I get this white new trim restoration. Now I've used I think Meguiar's makes one and Chemical Guys, but I've used this over the past several years on my cars, and man, this stuff really does the trick. So out here the sun eats everything. So even if you have a new car, especially like one of my vehicles that sits outside, so I know that the sun's going to eat it. So I just got to do something to try to protect the trim on here. So what you get in this kit is it's a white pad that has the actual chemical on it for the renewal. Then they give you prep wipe, okay? So they also give you a rubber glove to apply it to the vehicle. So you're gonna wipe down the surface with the prep, and you're coming back with the wipe it, and that's pretty much it, man. This will really bring your plastic and your trim on your car back to life. So like I said, I've used this in the past. Sometimes I mask it off because you don't want to get this stuff on your paint, especially a black car. They say it'll come off with acetone, but I don't want to be putting acetone on my paint trying to remove something. So if you feel like you might get some on your paint, just take the extra few minutes and mask it off, and you'll be good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna go out here and get this put on and see how much this improves the trim on my vehicle. I already know it's gonna be night and day, but I highly recommend this stuff if you're trying to restore your trim at home as a DIYer. I don't know what they use in the detail shops or auto body shops, but from past experience, this stuff right here, man, it works well, and it lasts a long time, and it's really holds up against sun, water, anything else. So yeah, I'm gonna go get this put on and see what you guys think. And if you guys have another type of treatment that you use, let me know. All right, but right here, this is what I use, and I haven't had any problems with it in the past. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is clean this down with alcohol. Okay, just clean it really good. Get all the crap off it. And let it air dry. All right. You can choose to mask this off if you want to. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But you don't want to get the white new on your paint. Truck's dirty, man. I need to wash it, but I can still put this on here. This stuff lasts 1 to 2 years. And out here in the sun eats everything. So I usually apply this stuff like every year to vehicles that are sitting outside. Okay? So I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna apply this, which I've already used on the other 3 wheel wells. But if you see how this is faded, I did this one already, so it looks a lot better. So Meguiar's makes this stuff. A couple other companies makes this stuff too. I think Chemical Guys, but I've always had success with this. You can use this on motorcycles, boats, cars, anything plastic that's sitting in the sun. So it doesn't take long for this to dry. And just get your applicator pad. Remember, they give you the wipe it pad, and then this is the cleaner, the prep wipe. So I'm going to show you the difference here. Make sure you don't get it on the paint. Apply it, get it close to that crease as you can without hitting the paint. Okay, see the difference? This stuff really works, man. And it stays on here a while and protects. You only got to go one direction. You don't want to work it back and forth. One direction, and that's going to really make your trim look a lot better. Get your crease, okay? One direction. And one of these will do a lot. It goes a long ways. So hit all 4 wheel wells with this. Just take your time. You're coming near the edge because you don't want to get this on your paint. It's a bitch to get off. Okay. See how this is all faded here? It's like brand new. That's why they call it wipe new, baby. There's other ways you can do this too. blow torch. People do different things. There's different ways you can do it. I want to make sure I got this crease. Okay. That's it. All right. There you go. It's a lot better. It's not faded. Get your license plate trim. Whatever you want to do. Any plastic that you have on the car, that you really dress it up and protects it. It lasts a long time. Like I said, I recommend, if you're worried about getting this stuff on your paint, mask it off. They say they don't tell you to mask it off, but my prior experience with this stuff, you get it on a black car, it's a pain in the butt to get off. You can get it off with acetone, but I don't want to be putting acetone on my paint, all that stuff, so truck's dirty, I gotta get it washed, but yeah, white new. I highly recommend this stuff, man. If you're trying to restore your plastic on your car, it really does a good job. Alright, so I got all my fender wells done. Now I just got to do these trim pieces, the bumper, and I'm going to do all of this up in here too. So yeah, you can put it on everything. So we'll go get the other half of the kit, work on that, but this stuff really works well. So if you guys like these videos, make sure you follow, like, and subscribe, and I'll keep making them. And for me, it's on to the next one. Got to get the rest of this done. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and have a good holiday season. I'm out.